Hello guys, in this version of tutorial series I am planning to teach you guys 2D game development from scratch. So this game is going to be a 2D platformer game. You can think of this game like a Mario game or Bounce game. So our game character is basically going to be yin yang symbol. So if you don't know what is yin yang, you can search on online, and this will be our game character. So yin yang is basically about the balance in the life, and based on this character I am planning to develop a game. So this will be our game character. And to understand this project, there are some minimum prerequisite. So you guys should know how the Unity engine works. That is, you guys should be familiar with the Unity engine uh, interface. Like, you guys should know how to create a game object, how to make it as a prefab, and you should be familiar with the C# language. That is, you should be having minimum understanding of oops concept. And if you guys have a minimum knowledge of elementary mathematics, that is well and good. If you guys don't have, that's also not a problem. Anyway, I will teach you guys. But mathematics, if you guys know in minimum level, it is very good, because game is all about mathematics. And then I'll be using some couple of plugins. So one of the main plugin that I'm going to use is Lean Twin. It's a mobile friendly lightweighted plugin where you can use means where you can do some wonderful twinning effects using the scripting. And you guys should know about basic Unity scripting also. So you should know what is awake method, what is start method, what is on enable, and what is on disable. So if you guys know how the basic Unity scripting works, and what are all the predefined functions that Unity scripting gives you whenever you create a new script, so these things you guys should know. This I won't be telling you. So these are all the prerequisite for the project, and in the next video I will tell you how to set up a project.